Hello, I'm Shashank, and in this video we will look at games and tournaments. It is just like any other topic of reasoning, language and the structure being the only difference. Questions from this topic contains different games and examiner while constructing the question can form any rules as per his or her wish. Don't worry if you don't have any previous knowledge of any particular game. It will hardly be of any use. All the rules are given in the question itself and you just have to patiently read the information and solve the questions accordingly. One more important point, most of the questions are indeterministic and we have to take the additional information given in the different parts of the question which are asked. Read the whole question that is in front of you very carefully and then proceed. Okay, so the gist of the question is there are 5 players and data is given for 3 years. Bigger triangle represents the name of the top 3 players and the goals scored by them in that particular year. And the inner triangle that represents the goals scored by the remaining 2 players in that year as a percentage of the total number of goals scored by all the 5 players. Then comes the R index, which is highest minus lowest number of goals of any player, while M index is the middle number if the number of goals scored by any player are arranged in decreasing order. For example, if Drogba scored 30, 27 and 25 in 3 years, then M index will be 27 in this case and R index will be 30 that is highest minus 25 that is lowest, which is equal to 5. Now what we'll do is we'll take these 3 triangles and we'll try to represent the information given to us in a tabular form. So we'll take these 3 triangles and we'll form a table like this. Now here in the leftmost column we'll write the names of all the 5 players, that is Eto'o, Owen, Rooney, then comes Drogba and at last we have Crouch. Here we'll write the total number of goals scored by these 5 players. In the topmost row, we'll write the years, that is 2004, 5, 6, and here in the last 2 columns, we'll fill them with R index and M index. Okay, let's fill the information that is given to us. Eto'o scored 36 in 2004, 27 in 2005, and nothing is given about 2006. Owen scored 29 in 2004 and nothing is given about the rest of the 2 years. Rooney, he scored 25 in 4 and nothing is given about 2005 and he scored 29 in 2006. Drogba, nothing is given about Drogba in 2004. In 2005 he scored 30 goals and in 2006 he scored 25. At last we have Crouch, nothing for Crouch in 2004, Crouch scored 25 in 2005 and he scored 23 in 2006. Now talking about this inner triangle, this 25% is representing the number of goals scored by the remaining 2 players, that is Drogba and Crouch in this case, which means that these 3 players scored total 75% of the total goals. That is, if suppose X is the total number of goals, so Eto'o, Owen and Rooney, they scored 75% of the total goals, which is equals to 36 plus 29 plus 25, which is 90, right? So that gives us X is equals to 120. So here total number of goals are 120. Similarly, calculating for 2005, we get total number of goals as 100. And for 2006, we get total number of goals as 110. Now, what we do here is, we take the remaining information which is not given to us in the form of variables. That is, suppose Drogba scored X number of goals, then Crouch will score 90, that is 120 minus 90, that is 30. So, Crouch scored 30 minus X. I hope this is clear to you. Let me take it one more time. Say suppose for in this case the total number of goals scored by Eto'o, Drogba and Crouch is 82. So remaining goals are 100 minus 82, that is 18. So if Owen scored Y number of goals, then Rooney in this case will score 18 minus Y. Similarly for 2006, If Eto'o scored Z number of goals, we don't know the number of goals, so we take the third variable Z, and here Owen will come out to be 33 minus Z. Let's move to the questions which are asked. So the first question given to us here is, which of the given players had the lowest R index in the given years? So here we have three variables with us, but we do not have the exact value for these three variables. But one thing that we can do for sure is that we can find the range for these three variables. For example, here in the first column, that is in 2004, we have used the variable X. So the maximum value that X can take is 24, because these three values are the top scorer, right? So the fourth one has to be lower than 25. So X can definitely take the value 24. What should be the least value for X? Can it be 0? If X is equals to 0, then this value becomes 30, which will contradict with the information given in the question. So X has to be greater than 6. If X is 6, then this value becomes 24. So X is greater than 6 and it has to be less than 24. But here one more constraint is there for X, that is X cannot be equal to 7, because if X equals to 7, then this value becomes equal to 23, which will again contradict with the information given in the question. So here the range of X is 6 to 24, but X is not equal to 7. Similarly, we can calculate the ranges for Y and Z as well. The maximum value that Y can take is 18. Because if Y is greater than 18, then this value becomes negative, which is not possible. So the maximum value for Y can be 18 and the minimum value for Y can be 0. Can it be 0? Yes, definitely it can be 0. And is there any constraint, like a constraint was there with X? For Y, there is no such constraint. Similarly for Z, the maximum value that Z can take is, it should be lower than 23, that is 22. And the minimum value for Z has to be, this value should not be greater than 22. So Z should be equal to 11. So this is the range for Z. Now here they are asking for the lowest R index in the given years. Let's check if we can find the R index. What is R index? R index is highest minus lowest number of goals. So here highest is 36 for Eto'o, but lowest, we don't know the lowest value because it is a variable Z and the range is 11 to 22. So Z can take any value from 11 to 22. So for Eto'o, we cannot calculate the exact R index. Similarly, for any of the players, we cannot calculate the R index. We cannot calculate the R index for any of these 5 players because each of them contains at least one variable. So the answer for the first question will be cannot be determined. Let's look at the second question. So second question is, for how many of the given players is it possible to calculate the exact M index? What is M index? M index is nothing but if these are the number of goals scored by any player in 3 years, then M index is the middle value. So let's check for Eto'o. Highest number of goals for Eto'o is 36. Then we have 27 and then we have Z. So range of Z is 11 to 22. So the maximum value for Z is 22. So the middle value in any case for Eto'o is 27. So M index for Eto'o is 27. For Owen, we have 29, Y 33 minus Z. Now suppose the maximum value of Y is 18 and this value becomes maximum, that is 22. So in this case, the M index for Eto'o becomes 22. And now suppose this value becomes 11, then M index becomes 18, which is the middle value in this case. So for Owen, we cannot calculate the exact M index, so it is not possible. For Rooney, we have 25, 18 minus Y and 29. So the maximum value or the range of this value is 0 to 18, which is in any case less than 25. So in any case, the exact M index for Rooney will be 25. Next we have Drogba, X 30 and 25. The maximum value that X can take is 24. So in any case, the middle value will always remain as 25. So 25 is the exact M index for Drogba as well. For Crouch, we have 30 minus X, 25 and 23. Here, if suppose X is 6, so this value becomes 24, right? And the M index also becomes 24 in this case. But for rest of the values, suppose X is say suppose 10, so this value becomes 20. So in this case, M index becomes 23. So Crouch has two possible M index, that is 24 and 23, but the exact value we cannot calculate, so it's not possible. So answer for this question will be option C, that is for 3 players we can calculate exact M index. Moving to the next question, which player had the lowest M index? So they are not asking about the exact M index, so we have to look for Owen and Crouch as well. So for Owen, Y is maximum 18 in this case, and this value can become maximum as 22. So the maximum, we have to calculate the lowest, so we have to check the maximum for these two players. So the maximum M index for Owen is 22, right? So 22 is the maximum M index for Owen. And for Crouch, we have 30 minus X, 25 and 23. So Crouch has only 2 M index, that is 23 and 24. So the maximum M index for Crouch is 24. So in any case, the value of M index for Owen is 22 and that is least. It can even be less than 22, but the maximum is 22, which is the least among these 5. So which player had the lowest M index? So option C, Owen has the lowest M index. Let's move to the next question. The total number of goals scored by Rooney and Owen in the given period is at most. So Owen and Rooney, we have 29 plus 25, that is equal to 54 in 2004. Then we have Y plus 18 minus Y gets cancelled out, so we have 18 here. And we have 33 minus Z plus 29. So this value can be maximum 22, right? So this becomes 51. So in all, this total becomes 123, which is option B. So the total number of goals scored by Rooney and Owen in the given period is at most 123. Let's move on to the next question. For how many of the given players is the total number of goals scored in all the 3 years put together definitely less than scored by Eto'o? So what is the minimum number of goals scored by Eto'o? It is 36 plus 27 plus 11, which comes out to be 74. So the minimum number of goals by Eto'o is 74. Now we have to check for maximum number of goals by others, so that we can check definitely less than Eto'o. So for Owen, we have 29 plus Y maximum is 18, and that value can maximum be as 22. So total comes out to be 29 plus 18, 47 plus 22, 69. So it is definitely less than Eto'o. So Owen is one of the players that we are looking for. Next is Rooney. So let's calculate for Rooney as well. We have 25. Then the maximum value can be 18 minus 0, that is 18. Then we have 29. So that comes out to be 72. So Rooney is also the player that we are looking for. Now comes Drogba. For Drogba, we have X. So X maximum value can be 24. Then we have 30. Then we have 25, which comes out to be 79. So Drogba is not the player that we are looking for. And the last one here is Crouch. So for Crouch we have maximum value as 24 plus 25 plus 23, which comes out to be 72, which is again less than Eto'o. So in all, we have got 3 players which have scored definitely less than Eto'o, no matter what the conditions are. So answer for this question becomes D. So with this, we have completed the discussion for this video. In further videos, I have taken some more different games. Watch those videos and solve a few questions to gain confidence. Thank you.